Let's talk about the American Revolution. The War of Independence was a huge turning point in history. It was the first time a group of colonists declared their government and monarch incapable of governing them and ultimately lead to the creation of the United States. It began in April 1775 with the battles of Lexington and Concord. That was when tensions boiled over. Americans were fed up with the heavy taxation and what they considered to be violations of their liberties. Some violations included Britain requiring trials to be held by a British judge without a jury. It was bloody few years, and historians estimate that about 25,000 people died during the war. The bulk of the fighting ended with the last major battle of the American Revolutionary War at Yorktown in 1781. There, the British Army surrendered to the Americans. The British and Americans finally signed a peace treaty on November 30, 1782. The last of the British troops departed from New York in November 1783. This left America truly independent and meant it could finally be ruled by its own government. Though historians generally agree that Britain had the superior army, there are three reasons why the Americans won the war. 1. The excellent leadership of George Washington. 2. Aid from France, who provided supplies, funds, and military support. 3. Tactical errors by the British commanders.